Good morning, students. There are some examples of good and bad conductors used in our daily life. We use metals to make cooking utensils, kettles, boilers, boiler tube. Because metal, being good conductors, quickly transfer the heat of the flame to the food items kept inside. Second point, ice boxes are often made as double-walled container because double wall contain the layer of air between the two walls does not easily let the outside heat reach the ice and kept inside the box, so ice does not melt. Blanket, woolen clothes and quilts help us to stay warm in winter because these blankets, woolen clothes trap a layer of air between themselves and our body. As you know, air is the bad conductor of heat. So our body heat does not easily escape out through this trapped layer of air and we stay warm inside the blanket. Fourth point, use of bricks and mud for making houses because these help us to shield us from the heat of the sun during summer because these materials are bad conductors of heat. We use wooden or plastic handle for making tea kettles or cooking utensils because these are insulators and being insulators they do not let the heat to get transferred to our hands. Kinds of cloth we wear in summer and winter. Dark colored surface absorb more heat than light colored surfaces. Dark colored surfaces radiate more heat than light colored surface. So we wear dark colored cloth in winter because it absorbs more heat and keep us warm. We wear light colored clothes in summer because it reflects most of the heat and keep us cool. We wear woolen cloth in winter because wool is a bad conductor of heat and the air trapped in between the wool fibers prevent loss of heat from our body, so we feel warm. Wind. Wind is the horizontal movement of air from the area of high pressure to low pressure. There is uneven heating of earth that results in global wind patterns. So wind is caused by difference in temperature and difference in pressure. So due to properties of absorption, emissions or properties of black and polished surface has many practical uses in our daily life. So we are listed these differences here. First, the bottom of cooking utensils is often kept black because black color absorb more heat. So this enables the utensils to better absorb the heat of the flame. Second point, we prefer white or light colored cloth in summer because these absorb less heat from the surroundings and we feel cool. Tea or coffee pots are often made shining bright because they, they radiate less heat and the tea in these pots, coffee pots or tea pots remains hot during long time. Fire brigade men often use shining brass caps at their head because These caps absorb very less heat and help the firemen to remain cool. Houses generally have light color on their outer walls because they absorb and radiate less heat. The thermos flux is used to carry in it hot or cold drinks because it makes use of the property of shining or polished surface that absorb as well radiate very little heat. Thank you.